Hi, I'm Angel with FleeceFun.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make this stretchy car seat cover. I know it was very handy with my little boy, and it's actually very easy to sew. And I love the lighter cover. It's perfect for warm weather while still keeping baby away from the breeze, sun, and prying eyes. And a great introduction to sewing with knits also. For this project, you will need the following. 1 yard of jersey knit that's 58 inches wide with a 50% stretch. Fleece Fun's free PDF sewing pattern, I have a link to that at the end of the video. A double needle, not necessary, but really nice to have. Sewing essentials, scissors, pins, etc. Oh, and by the way, one of those sewing essentials is a ballpoint needle. That is important for stretch knits. Always make sure you have the right needle. It will make your project go a lot better. All right, now that you've gathered up all those items, it's time to cut out those pattern pieces. So let's move on to step 1. Stretchy baby car seat cover pattern tutorial. Step 1, cut out the cover. On the fold, cut out 2 of the pattern. Now, make sure that when you go to cut out that pattern, you refold the cloth so you can cut out 2 pattern pieces side by side on that 58 inches. Don't just rely on how it was folded on the bolt. That's wrong, and you'll cut a hole in the middle and you won't have enough cloth and it'll be sad, so let's not do that. Just make sure that you refold the cloth so you can cut out that pattern 2 times side by side. All right, now that you've cut out your car seat cover, it's time to start sewing. Let's go to step 2. Step 2, begin to sew the baby canopy. Next, take the 2 stretchy cover pattern pieces and lay them together, right sides touching. Pin each side, leaving the top and bottom open where it's marked in pink. Using a 3/8 seam allowance and a stretch stitch on your sewing machine or serger, sew the sides of the baby car seat cover. Leave the top and bottom where it's marked in pink open. All right, now that those sides are sewn up, let's move on to step 3. Step 3, finish the top and bottom. Turn the top and bottom under 3/4 of an inch. Press and pin. At this point, you can either zigzag stitch along the edge of the top and bottom to finish it, or you can turn it right side out and top stitch it with a double needle on the top and the bottom of the car seat canopy. And I have to tell you, that looks really nice when you finish it with a double needle. It's not as scary as you think. You should try it. And that's it. You have this really cute stretchy car seat cover. It is just really handy. There's so many cute knits out there that you can get. And I love the fact that it just covers it. It's like this nice little cocoon for baby to sleep in. Here's a little shot of my baby sleeping in it. I know, he's grown up so fast. He's so cute. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome videos just like this one. All right, now if this isn't exactly the car seat cover that you're looking for, if you're looking for something that's better for colder weather and that sort of thing, hey, I totally have you covered. Please check out my other video tutorials and free patterns that I have for car seat covers, because I actually have a couple that are available on the website, and they even have video tutorials just like this one. Also, be sure to subscribe to the newsletter so you can get all the great updates of the new videos and patterns that I'm offering for free on my website.